Hey guys, I'm here again. We have the episode 3 of Open Portfolio 2021. So, just to give you a short background about this program that I have created. So, it's basically about uh, the regular trading that I do, but this time, which I started since the first week of January, I I am exposing publicly the positions that I am trading. And I have created some mechanics and criteria which you can see from this Excel sheet. So here are the mechanics that I have created for that Open Portfolio 2021. So basically, three positions that I will have at any given point of time, but it doesn't limit me to open option position in addition to the stock position. So just some status about last week. We became profitable with HLF, Limited Brands, and TSCK. But I got stopped out with some of the positions. So here are the open positions right now. EXC, Max. I also got stopped out with ARMK, and I opened another position for uh, new position with Uber. So okay, so we will try to. So Uber, let's check first Uber. So why did I see it as a nice opportunity? So let's check that. Okay, so Uber. So okay, loading. So Uber, you see at right side of my trading chart, you see that there is a squeeze set up here. Momentum is also positive. Daily chart is uptrending above EMA 21, and the monthly pivot central pivot range is very tight. The price is just sitting just above the central pivot range, which means bullish setup for us. So if you can even make a trend line here, see that we broke out of the trend line, pull back, retest that breakout point, and then today it bounces back. So we have here a really good buying opportunity even at the daily chart. Then looking at the left side, we have here a weekly central pivot range, which is very tight and it's very bullish. So when we have a very tight central pivot range, it means for me that the price can spike up. It can even reach up to R5. And since we are just consolidating above this central pivot range of the weekly, therefore it is time for me to accumulate this position. Meanwhile, the momentum is also rising and now above positive territory. The long term and the short term trend are both positive. So this is for me passing my setups requirements. Therefore, I did not. I have already entered a trade in my real account just a few hours ago, but I will show to you how I'm going to enter it on this virtual account or paper trading account. So, all right, so let me show it. So I'm using Interactive Broker. So let me go back. So the risk that I'm taking for my virtual portfolio is $200. So if I am wrong in the trade, I will lose $200. So where should I set my stop loss? So I'm looking at the 1 hour chart for my entry. Stop loss usually is situated just below the central pivot range. So we measure from current price to central pivot range. So let's just include the low of this candle here. So around 2.15. So 2.15 is my stop loss. So which is at 52.4. So how many share shares that I should buy? 52.4. Sorry, current price to here it's 2. So I have a risk of 200 divided by 2. That's 100 shares. So I should buy 100 shares of Uber. So let me type in Uber 100 shares. Right? So I will just be at the middle 54.43, 42. So around 54.41. 54.41. So I hope it will be filled. Now it's partially filled. So I have now Uber here. Okay, so 100 shares of Uber. But at the same time, since I have a squeeze setup here, therefore I can also buy the corresponding option. So usually I am buying call option. So if I am bullish, I buy call option. If I am bearish, I will buy put option. So let's take the option chain for the Uber stock. And again, my risk is 200. But this already my stop loss. So my risk is I can allocate around $400 of capital and stop loss of 50%. That makes a risk of 200. So okay. So Uber I usually buy the 45 days out. So that's too much. This one for February 26 call option and 54. So around zero point 0.7 delta call option. 0.7 delta call, so you can find it at this side because this side is this one are the call options, the other side is the put option. So let's find the 0.7 delta. So around 50. So 50 is somewhere here. So 50. So 50 is one. So the price of the 50 call option strike is at in between 6.6 and 7.2, which is way above my allowable capital, which is per option trade, which is around uh, 400 plus dollar. So what the question now is, what will I do so that I can minimize this cost? Because this is too much for my intended $400 capital for my option trade. So what I'm going to do is I will buy this one. So I will make a spread, but I will sell another call option which is around 200. This is 6, 7, so around 300 cost. So which is now I'm going to sell the 58. So again, I'm buying the 50 call option. I will be selling the 58 call. So right now, you see the cost has been reduced to between 3.5 to 4.5. So this is quite a big spread. So what I'm going to do is to bid only at the middle, so 4.1, let's say. So again, so in this trade, my max loss is 410, but I have a stop loss up 50%. So my intended uh, risk is around 200 if I am not right in this trade. But my max profit will be uh, much more than that. So actually, my max profit will be also the debit. So let's see that one if I will get filled with this trade. Okay, so right now I just bid at 4.1, so maybe a few minutes later it will get filled. So we'll see. Anyway, I have already stock position of 100 shares, so I will just be patient till my option trade for Uber will get filled. So now let's check the status of my portfolio. Today I got a realized loss of $900 on this virtual portfolio. It's because I got stopped out with this series and the stock. Also, the problem is that I forgot to uh, place a stop loss on my virtual portfolio. On my real account, I got out already last Friday. So around 6.29, I got stop out. But in my virtual portfolio, I forgot to place a stop loss, which leads me a further loss. So you remember that I am only allowed to have a $200 loss per trade. But what happened here is that see the series, I lost 670 because I forgot to put a stop loss. So that is a lesson for me. So I should always take care to place a stop loss. All right. So again, what are the other things that I lost? This one EXC is just okay because it's the intended amount risk. So 192. This one is I don't know. Maybe I have allocated a very small position here. That's why the loss is quite small. So okay. So looking at current positions that I have, I am profitable with Axta, profitable with BAX quite a lot. So and the corresponding call option for it. Also very much profitable with limited brand. So remember that my this trade was placed last week. Only last week, the capital that I have placed is 4.46, which is $446. So I have one contract that is equivalent to $446 dollar capital, and now it's at $975. So that is more than 100% profitability with this. So let's check whether it's time to take profit with limited brand and BAX because they are already at 3R. This one is I doubled already my profit, my capital. This one, this is around 3.5R. So R means risk, and R for this virtual portfolio is $200. So let's check BAX. And why is it that I am bullish on BAX? So BAX, I have bought this stock last week when it was trading at this price around 81 or 82, 81.5. Right now it went up 0.83%. And my stop loss is just below the uh, central pivot range of the weekly, so around 79.2. So the trade is going well. Uh, so I'm just holding. And if you see the daily chart, so All right, so you see that my Uber, just a moment because my son is disturbing me. All right, so let's continue. My son is interrupting me. So let's check this out. So BAX. So why is it that I'm bullish with BAX? So we have here a downtrend. See that? Lower low, lower high. But suddenly it broke the trend line. We have a daily candle close. We pulled back, retested the low of this breakout candle. But on the third day, we recovered with up candle. We have a gap. Uh, I mean, we opened a little bit above the previous day closing. So that is quite bullish. All candles here are white, green in your platform. If you are using green or red. So we are quite in a good position here, and there is no reason for us to take profit now. Although maybe tomorrow I'm going to check if there will be some weakness over here at R1. So I might trim my position. I'm very profitable with the BAX with 725. So quite nice. I might also move my stop loss up here. So I'm going to move my stop loss below the EMA 21. So right around here at 80. So let's do this now. Just before we forget the AX. So 79.4 was the original stop loss. Now I'm going to move my stop higher. All right, so that's BEX. That's still really going well, so no need to hurry up in taking uh, money out of the table. So just for a while. Um, all right, so that's BEX, and let's check the other position. So I have here, I still have EXC, EXC. So EXC. So EXC, I was in my real portfolio. I got stop out because I placed my stop just around here, 41.8. Get stop out, but right now the price seems to be trying to recover. So since my real portfolio is already stop out, let me check what is the situation here if I still really have that. Okay, so no more. So I don't have EXC anymore in here. So I think it got stopped out already. Yes, so this one, so minus 192. So right, so limited brands. So let's check limited brands. So limited brands, I'm already very much profitable in this in terms of my option trade. I bought a call at a strike of 38. Capital is for 446. Now the option price is already at 970, 9.7. So uh, profitable of profits of 525. So I guess right now I'm going to show to you that I'm going to take a profit on this. So the reason is that already at R3, the price is now creating some double tops, the hourly chart. So and it's already extended. So although there might be a chance that it will still breakout tomorrow. But since this is already more than 100% profit, so time to take profits. Okay, so how do I sell? So this is for those who of you guys who do not know option trading yet. So if I have a call option here, I have bought a call option, one contract, then how to close is just to sell it. So that is now the current bid and ask, so quite wide. Let me bid at the middle. 9.85, no fill. So let's try lower one, 9.75. So I'm giving up around $10 and another $10. So nothing. So that's the issue with option, because if the stock is not so liquid, the spreads are high like this. So I can and this one, this data here is also not updated. So if I wanna get an updated data, I use this snapshot. So the current and this has some small amount of fee that you need to pay. So 9.4 is the lowest. So let me lower this speed just to show to you how to close this option position. Okay, so I got filled 9.45. So with that, I have given up around $30, and I'm profitable with around 500, I guess. So let's see, limited brand. So 500, so $498. So I have given up around $40. So the best thing is really to just place the take profit order, limit order, and then just allow some time to let it get filled. But now, since I just want to demonstrate to you how to take profit with an option trade, then I just lowered my bid. All right, so that's all, guys. So tomorrow, watch out for my next episode for my Open Portfolio 2021. And for those of you guys who would like to learn how to trade stocks in the US market or option trading, Forex, just let me know. Just send me a message and I will send to you more details. So let me check. Sir, I would like to ask for your advice. What stock to invest here in PSC? In stock that you can recommend and why? Thank you. Right. So, well, I have actually weekly stock updates for the Philippine market. And if you would like to get my recommended stocks, I am releasing it every weekend. Actually, yesterday I just released the for this week's update, and you just need to subscribe to it. Please message me, and I will send you more details about it. So, what stock to invest? So, when you say invest, I'm assuming that you want to hold the stock for more than a year. So, my advice is that you should choose those stocks that are really that are really well known in the Philippines, and at the same time it is trading at a low price. So I will give you an example. So let me go to this investor chart. This is the trading chart for the Philippine market. So for instance, last week I have just added my position on VLL, so Vistaland. Vistaland is a very good company. It's a undervalued stock. And at the same time, it possesses a very good technical chart. So it's good to enter trade. So I am already actually profitable with VLL since I was holding it since September and I saw another opportunity to add. So I have added another, I have bought more this because I saw that it was bouncing last week. So I saw this doji candle bouncing at monthly S1, and then so yesterday and today and the other week it could climb up with 6% within 2 days. So and I see more upside on this. So it is basically a trending stock just pulled back, and that pullback is actually just 50 to 60% pullback. So yes, so that is a 60% pullback. That's very very healthy. I'm assuming that this stock is going to still move higher. So what can be my target? So this can be a good target price here when there was sell-off, and also this. So 6.7 and 7.6. That's what I can advise to you. So this one, if you need more of my recommended stocks, feel free to subscribe to my weekly stock updates, which I'm sending via email. Right. So I hope that it helps you. Right. So again, guys, tomorrow watch out for my next episode for open portfolio. So we talk about U.S. market in this open portfolio, but also watch out for my live FB because I'm also talking about Philippine stock market. So actually, yesterday I went live as well. So please check my Facebook page. God bless to all of you and happy trading.